Let's make cute holographic stickers because we can use them in so many ways, either for ourselves to decorate our space or our laptop, or to even give to others as gifts. Or you can, of course, sell the holographic stickers that you make. So I'm going to walk you through the steps I took to make these. I just love all of the different holographic sticker papers available right now. And I know that you will love making cute holographic stickers too. So let's get started. So first of all, you will need design software, and I love designing my stickers in either Cricut Design Space or Silhouette Studio or even Canva. Next, if you're making stickers with clip art images, you will need the clip art. So if you're a Secret Sticker Society member in my sticker making membership, you may already have the clip art that I'll be using today. Otherwise, it could be a design that you have drawn or illustrated or something that you've purchased. Next up, you'll need holographic sticker paper, and I will link to some of my faves below. There are so many amazing different holographic designs you can get now. And you'll need a way to cut your stickers out. So it could be a cutting machine like a Silhouette or a Cricut, or it could be scissors or a craft knife. Okay, let's get started. So your stickers could be a clip art design such as these, or on the screen I'm showing you how I used holographic sticker paper to make some motivational quotes or positive or encouraging stickers too. I've got some phrases like progress, not perfection, keep going, and I'll show you how I put together the first one. So we're in Cricut and I'm going to choose text first of all, and then type in the word progress. After that, I'm going to duplicate that text another 2 times because I want to have 3 different fonts. And I'm going to change it to say progress, then not, and then perfection. And then I'll change the color of all of those to black. I like to combine different fonts when I'm making some black and white stickers or monochrome stickers, such as this one. So I've resized and aligned my words, and now I'll select all of those words and add an offset around the outside edge. You could go with a 0.5 or 0.1 inch offset, something around that. And that is going to add that defined cut line around the sticker, but leaving a bit of a buffer. Now, when I add this offset, because it hasn't joined up fully, I'm going to keep the operation on basic cut. And then click on the contour button on the bottom right and hide all contours, and that will fill in that contour. So now it's a nice frame around the outside edge and it's all filled in. I'll change the color of it to white for now, and then select that whole sticker and then flatten, choose flatten to flatten it together. And that very first simple sticker is complete. Next up, I'm doing the same thing again, but with this sticker, I'm going to add clip art to it too. So it could be just clip art with the sticker, or, and you can see I'm uploading mine here, otherwise you can add a combination of text and clip art. So I'm finding where I've saved my clip art on my computer, and I'm going to upload it now into the Cricut Design Space library. So choose continue, and then apply and continue, choose flat graphic, and then continue, and then click upload. It'll bring it onto my canvas, and all I need to do then is just reduce the size because it'll bring it in at full size and make this much smaller so it can fit onto my sticker design. I'm going to reduce the size of that heart and rotate it so it fits neatly into the corner of that sticker. And the final step again is to select the clip art and all of that text, add my offset around the outside edge again at the right distance that I'm looking for to create that cut line around the outside, and then flatten it together. Again, hide any contours if you need to before you flatten the sticker. So I created a bunch of stickers here before I printed and cut them, and then arranged them into a neat sticker layout that really positioned everything together and maximized the space. My last step is to select all of those designs and choose attach to keep them all in position on that sticker layout, and then click make at the top right corner. Next up, I followed the steps to print these out. So I printed them on my holographic paper, and as you can see, they're looking really crisp and clear. And then after this, the next step is to cut around them. So now you choose the best cut settings depending on if you want to kiss cut or die cut your stickers. So do you want them to individually peel off the sticker sheet, or do you want to cut all the way through? With my motivational quotes, I kiss cut them, but with my other stickers, I die cut. So I'll cut all the way through. In fact, I added an easy peel layer to some of those too, and I'll link my easy peel video below. I'm cutting out my stickers on my Cricut Extra. So it's the Cricut Joy Xtra, not the original Joy. And now it's time to see how they did. And they look so shimmery and beautiful. And the best part is they peel really easily off this sticker sheet. So I've cut through so it's Really kids cut them out brilliantly, and I can slowly peel these up and now start to use my beautiful shimmery holographic stickers. Aren't they fun? These would make a really beautiful gift to somebody too, or you could even decorate a gift with holographic stickers. I think the ideas are endless. I'd love to know from you, what kind of holographic stickers would you love to make? What makes a cute sticker for you? Is it something like a motivational quote? Is it something like a cute design, like a cat or the bouquet of flowers? Or is it something different altogether? Make sure you share below and let me know, what do you love about holographic stickers, and I hope you enjoyed watching over my shoulder as I've created these.